Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Steam. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to your Internet Explorer. For me it's my Opera GX, and you need to search Steam. Now when you have done that, you have, these links, and you just need to click on this one, Install Steam. Now I have already opened it and it puts you, here. Now, what you need to do, of course, is click Install Steam. This will make you choose on what drive or, where you want to download your Steam setup. And after you have done that, just simply run this Steam setup wherever you have placed it, and then you'll have Steam. Of course, it will ask you to make an account, or if you have already made an account, to just simply log in. From that point on, just follow the instructions. Steam really did a good job on, being clear on what it asks you to do, and you should soon be on Steam, I guess. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And if you want more tutorials just like this, subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.